Hi everyone, I'm Marissa Pettit, Director of Instructional Development, and I've got some pretty great news. We have added some hot new colors to our MOODSTRUCK SPLASH Liquid Lipstick line. Yep, that's right, your favorite liquid lipstick and mine now has brand new colors to choose from. The new colors are Sunny, Sparkling, Screeching, Sympathetic, and Showy. These colors range from baby pink to dark purple. In addition to our original Splash liquid lipstick colors, there is truly a color for every mood that you're in. This lip product was formulated with a blend of vitamin C and E, is lightweight and glides on easily, which means no tugging, no pulling, just smooth, easy application. The product dries as an on-trend matte you will love because your lips will look and feel good. To use this product, prep your lips first with our MOODSTRUCK Lip Exfoliator. Next, use the pointed tip of the applicator for defining your Cupid's bow and getting into the corners of your lips. Then fill in your lips. To intensify the color, apply multiple times and allow the product to set in between applications. Mwah! A matte lip product perfect for any mood and any occasion. Share your looks and tips with us on social media using #YLooks. See you later!